So over here you can see that I got some materials right here, which is actually a part of this person right here, just like this. If I were to go around and let's say for example, make another shape right here, let me just go ahead and pull that out as well. Over here, I can go ahead and apply other materials to it. For example, I can select this and simply go ahead and add this in. Let's just go around onto plastic right here. Let's just go ahead and add this in. Let's just go ahead and add that in as well. So you can see this green and blue right here. And apart from that, let's say I'm going to replace it with black, or maybe I'm going to replace it with this. But if I were to actually go around over here in model, then you can see that I actually applied the green and blue, but replaced it out. But over here in the in model section right here, you can still see the old colors right here. So this actually goes ahead and takes up memory space. And whenever you go ahead and then model something as well, those temporary contents might be saved out. Let's say, for example, when you go ahead and change this out right here, just like this. If you want to go ahead and save some memory space and then remove out the extra details, then you can go ahead and purge out the model. So to do that, you can go around over here onto window, then you can go to model info and then go to statistics. So here you can see that there are 25 materials right here, but what you can also do is purge out unused. That means it'll delete out the unused materials in the model, and if there's any unused elements, it'll remove them out as well, which in turn saves out memory. So if I were to click on purge unused, you can see that the material count now is 22 and everything else has been removed. And similarly, if there's any other things like images or groups or polylines that may have been there, but you deleted it, but it is still taking the space, then it'll go ahead and remove it and make the file size much more lighter. And that is how you can go ahead and purge model inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.